Hey, good morning, folks. I'm attorney Roger P. Foley, and last night I got scammed. That's right, scammed. Criminal defense and personal injury attorney fell for it. So I was out at dinner with my wife and my in-laws. We're having Thai food, having a nice meal. And I get a phone call from a 1-800 number, 188 number, something like that, 1855. And I'm thinking, okay, I don't know what it is, but I answer the phone. And they say that it's Venmo. I don't ever use Venmo, but I have Venmo. And it says there's someone trying to use your account. If this is not you, please press 1. And, if it's you, then ignore it. It's a phone call, right? So I'm like, okay. And granted, it's automated, but it says, if this is not you, do this, call our fraud department. Okay, that's all right. So they send me a code. Never had this before. And the code was like, 5555, whatever, right? Some code, 4 digits. So I took the code, and I said, yeah, not me, that kind of thing. And within, I don't know, a minute, $2,000 was wired out of my account. And guess where it went to? My wife. Now, I didn't even see it. My wife goes, huh? She looks at her phone and she's like, wait, what? Because she's confused because we're sitting right, at the table together. And she's like, did you just send me $2,000? And I'm like, I didn't. And she's like, I know, just rhetorical question, right? So I'm like, what the heck? So it's my account sends her $2,000, and then she instantly gets a message. Oh, by the way, it says for funeral expenses or something to that effect. She then gets a text message from me saying, hey, I made a mistake. Sorry, can you send that back to me? So what they did somehow, and I don't know how, they got a hold of my account by giving me a number. I lost on this one. Never seen this scam. They gave me a code. I punch in the code and I call, and yeah, they got $2,000. They send it to my wife, but they take control of my account, go, oops, it's some kind of mistake. And if she sends the money back, well, it doesn't come back to RP Foley. It goes back to the scammer. So I was like, don't do anything. And then I spent the next hour and a half on the phone or trying to get in touch with Venmo. First I spoke with their chat assistants, and I said, stop, block it, stop it, whatever. They're like, the 2,000's already gone. My wife thinks she's got the 2,000. So I wait on hold for about 20 minutes. And I get a representative, and she's like, wow, we've never heard of this one. And so we stopped my account. We stopped my wife's account. Supposedly, so what they do is they trick you, right? Think about this. Someone in your contacts who you've already sent money to, right? They somehow take over your account when you punch in the code that they give you. Somehow it gives them access to your account. That means whatever credit cards, whatever banking accounts, so they can send it to somebody. But they can probably send it to someone in your list. They just didn't realize that it was my wife because her maiden name was on her Venmo account. So then what they do is they go, oh, sorry, I accidentally sent it to the wrong person, blah, blah, blah. Send it back. When they send it back, they've now intercepted my account, and it goes to their account or some other account, and who knows where. So we have a block on both accounts. Within 10 days, Venmo is going to contact us. I don't know if the money's in our account or not, and I got to call the bank and alert the bank because our credit cards are lying, but the account's shut down. So it's a scam. I mean, it's a very convoluted scam. Usually scams ask you for some information or ask you to input something. They contacted me by phone, and then I said, yeah, it's not me. And they said, okay, we're sending you a text. They sent me a text. I open that text and I say, it's not me. And somehow they have access to my account. It's very convoluted. Maybe someone here knows how the scam works, and maybe it's happened to them, or maybe they're a scammer and they're watching my web. Who knows? You never know these days. But I don't know the answer. Venmo didn't know the answer, so we locked my wife's account, my account down. I've been scammed out of 2 G's. So I hope it doesn't happen to you. But if you get a call and they text you something, get on the phone, call the main number. Don't, whatever number they give you, don't call that number. Literally Google it, find Venmo's number, call the Venmo 1-800 number, and you will figure it out. And even if the number is the same, don't click on theirs, because they can ghost the number. You can look like you're calling that number, but it's redirected somehow. So never use, if you get a text and it says, please call us at this number, don't call that number. Always Google the number, whether it's your bank, Venmo, or Zelle, or whatever it may be. I'm attorney Roger P. Foley. I hate to say it, I got bamboozled, man. Have a great day. See ya.